So essentially, stock is just a certificate that represents part ownership in a company. Just like our certificate from school signifies that you went to school for a particular number of years, or a certificate in a course represents the fact that you have completed the course, the stock certificate just represents the fact that you are a part owner in the business. In terms of the stock market is not any different than any other market in its purest form. It's just a place that allows persons to buy and sell securities, in this case, stocks. It's not the only thing that can be traded on the stocks are not the only thing that can be traded on a stock market. You can also have bonds or rights issues and stuff like that. Those we will talk about a little later on in the future as we get into the more advanced or into the intermediate and advanced lessons in this video series. But for now, just take it that the stock market is a place that allows persons to buy and sell stock certificates or shares, as we call them. So in terms of how the stock market works, it's a little bit different than, say, a typical market like a fish market or a fruit market. Don't know if that's even appropriate, but whatever. The primary difference is that, unlike in the case of like a fish market where you can physically go there and just give somebody your money and they give you the fish, in the stock market, in order for us to purchase stock or shares, you need to utilize the services of a broker or a brokerage house. Now, the broker acts on your behalf. They basically take your money and enter your order or your instruction to sell a particular stock, if you already own it, into a system where other brokers representing persons who are willing to buy or sell their shares to you, as the case may be, depending on what it is you're actually trying to do. And so they basically facilitate the transaction of the selling or purchasing of the shares that you're interested in. In Jamaica, we have quite a few brokers. All of them you can see on the JSE website. I think I'll just insert that link right here, so you can just click there to see all the registered brokers for the Jamaica stock market. But some of them include NCB Capital Markets, Sagicor Investments, Mayberry Investments, Barita Investments, Stocks and Securities Limited, Scotia Investments, etc. In the US, there are companies like Fidelity and TD Ameritrade, and their online platforms like Robinhood or apps that you can actually use. The Jamaican stock market hasn't really gotten there as yet, but they're currently working on it.